Do you have a pet? Do you want to speak English about animals? Let's talk about cute cats, happy dogs, and funny birds. Welcome to Leo English Channel. I'm Leo, and today we'll learn English about pets. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hi everyone, this is Leo. Today, I want to help you practice English by listening to a short, simple story about pets. This story is for beginners, A1 to A2 level. So don't worry. I will speak slowly, clearly, and use easy words. Just relax, listen carefully, and repeat when needed. Let's begin with a true story from my childhood. Part 1. My first pet, Bruno. When I was a child, I had a dog. His name was Bruno. Bruno was big and brown. He had soft ears and a short tail. He was always happy. When I came home from school, he jumped and wagged his tail. He followed me everywhere. Every morning, I gave him food. He ate meat, bread, and sometimes rice. He drank clean water. I brushed his fur and played with him in the garden. Bruno was my best friend. I talked to him when I was sad. He always listened. He never judged me. I loved him very much. Part 2. Why pets are good. Pets are more than animals. They are our friends. They make us smile. They help us feel better when we are sad or tired. They teach us love, kindness, and care. When you have a pet, you learn to be responsible. You give it food. You clean its space. You take care of it when it's sick. It's like taking care of a small family member. Part 3. What pets need. All pets need clean food and water, a safe place to sleep, exercise and play, love and attention. Some pets like to walk outside, like dogs. Some like to stay quiet and sleep, like cats. Some like to sing, like birds. Some just swim around in the water, like fish. But all pets need one thing: your love. Part 4. Popular pets around the world. Here are some popular pets in different countries. Dogs, loyal, friendly, and protective. Cats, quiet, clean, and loving. Birds, colorful and musical. Fish, easy to take care of and relaxing to watch. Rabbits, soft, cute, and love to jump. Hamsters, small and playful. Turtles, calm and slow, but live a long time. Some people also keep frogs, snakes, or even parrots. Part 5. Talking about pets in English. Let me give you some easy example sentences. I have a dog. His name is Bruno. My cat is white and black. I feed my pet every day. My bird sings in the morning. I love my pet. He is part of my family. You can also ask questions like, do you have a pet? What kind of pet do you have? What is your pet's name? What does your pet eat? These are great ways to practice your English.